In 2019, I started taking NAD boosting supplements, and over the last year, I've also been doing non-stop experiments and testing of my NAD levels and my levels of inflammation. I'm going to share my results with you in this video today. Feel free to skip ahead if you want to get right into my results. But first, if you don't know what NAD is, it's a very important molecule found in every cell in your body, and it's vital for energy production. As you age, your levels of NAD begin to decline. Even if you're younger, you can have low levels of NAD if you're dealing with an underlying condition, an autoimmune disorder, or other inflammatory issues. When your levels are lower, some people experience issues such as fatigue, metabolic problems, weight gain or fluctuations, and sleep issues. Lower levels are also associated with cancer, diabetes, heart disease, dementia, and other illnesses that are often associated with aging. For me, I want to try my best to prevent these types of issues by keeping my levels higher now. Fasting, diet, and exercise can positively impact your NAD levels, but taking NAD boosting supplements can help with it as well. When NAD levels get higher, many people report improvements in overall health, energy, metabolism, fitness, and sleep. So today I'm going to focus on NAD boosters. These are supplements which help to raise your NAD levels. And the most common one, in my opinion, is NMN. The second most common one is NR, and the third is probably NAD itself. The main issue with all of these supplements is that they have poor bioavailability. This means it's harder for them to get absorbed into your body and bloodstream properly. And some people end up spending a lot of money by taking more of the product as a result.
None of us like aging and the idea of getting older, but wouldn't we all love to turn the body clock back a few notches and stay younger for longer? Well, what if I told you it is possible? It seems that there might be a way, or at least possibility, to slow it down, thanks to a growing number of supplements which boost levels of NMN in the body in order to increase the supply of NAD+. Nicotinamide mononucleotide, popularly known as NMN, has been scientifically proven to have a potential to reverse aging. And while the world gushes over the anti-aging benefits of NMN, there's actually more to it. While each of these supplements make bold statements, do they actually have any benefits? That's why in today's video, we will discuss the benefits of NMN supplements. Do they improve fertility? What about reducing the risk of obesity? Wait, NMN supplements give you the energy of a 20-year-old while you're in your 50s? We will be talking about all of these and more. But before we go on with the benefits of NMN, let's talk briefly about what makes NMN so beneficial. First, NMN is the direct precursor of the essential molecule nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, or NAD+, and it has been proven to be a key component in increasing NAD+ levels in cells. Without NAD+, the cells in the body won't function properly. In fact, NAD+ plays a crucial role in activating sirtuins, which are proteins that increase life expectancy and slow down aging. So many studies have linked the decline of NAD+ to age-related health issues. That's why it has become a necessity to boost NAD+ levels, since NMN can be sourced naturally from foods like avocado, broccoli, and cabbage. You might be wondering why you need NMN supplements. But here is the fact. The concentration of NMN in these foods is less than 1 milligram. In fact, scientists have found that the level of NMN required to boost the levels of NAD+ should be in the hundreds of milligrams. So that's why you need NMN supplements. If you're ready, let's unveil some of the health benefits of NMN supplements. Number 1. Reduces aging signs and promotes longevity. If you have tried every trick written in the anti-aging manual, washing your face often, always drinking water, eating healthy, and hitting the gym, but still you have a feeling that it is not enough, you should really consider adding NMN to your anti-aging therapy. As we previously stated, NMN plays a crucial role in the production of NAD+, which is required for life and cellular functions. The NAD+ in turn activates sirtuins, which are known as the guardians of our lifespan. So, by supplementing with a precursor, you can stop the rapid aging of your cells and improve longevity. A study published in the Integrative Medicine Journal found that NMN, when administered to mice, suppresses aging-related inflammation and improves their lifespan. Although there are still studies being carried out in the effect of NMN on humans, there have been personal reports that prove that it works. That being said, you should know that UV rays are one of the aging culprits. Constant exposure to UV rays damages our genes and DNA, making us look older. But the good news is that you can reverse these aging signs with NMN, so if you dream of youthful looks and a longer lifespan, NMN supplements should have a place in your diet. Number 2. NMN promotes cardiovascular health. Do you know that heart disease is one of the leading causes of death in the United States? The shocking part is that one person dies every 36 seconds from heart disease. Unlike other organs in the body, the heart never takes a break. That's why it needs a lot of energy. To keep this organ pumping the way it should, it needs to produce all the NAD+ it can. In other words, the cardiovascular system requires a constant supply of NMN to make NAD+ to be in top shape. A study published on PubMed.gov has found out that NMN slows down age-related cardiac pathophysiological changes by improving cardiac NAD+ production. In fact, when there is a decline in NAD+ levels, the cardiovascular system is prone to suffering from conditions like oxidative stress and stiffening of the blood vessels. To benefit from the cardioprotective effect of this compound, make sure you take the correct dose for your body weight. Before we go on, do you enjoy these fun facts? Has living a healthy lifestyle been an ambition for a while? Natural Education is here to make that dream come true while bringing to you all the health tips you may need. So make sure you subscribe to our channel to get notified when we upload. Also, be real fast and do me a favor by clicking the like button and commenting about NMN down below if you find this topic interesting. Now back to our topic on the benefits of NMN. Number 3. NMN improves muscular endurance and strength. There's no doubt that muscles are important to the body. In fact, we literally rely on our skeletal muscles for movement, stability, and strength. So to keep these muscles in good shape, you need to consume substantial amounts of key energy molecules like fatty acids and glucose. But do you know that your body needs NAD+ to produce these energy molecules? Oh yeah, this also means that the muscles require a constant supply of the precursor NMN to stay in good shape. According to a clinical trial published in the Journal of the International Society of Sport Nutrition, oral administration of NMN increases the oxygen consumption of the skeletal muscles. The participants of this trial, who were middle-aged athletes, supplemented with NMN dosage of 600 to 1,200 milligrams per day. At the end of the 6-week trial period, it was recorded that NMN improved their muscle oxygen absorption and endurance level. Number 4. Helps in fighting metabolic diseases. Imagine being 70 and disease-free. What if I told you that you could even literally run around with your grandkids? Well, you can achieve that level of vitality with NMN supplements. Aging comes with disease conditions like metabolic syndrome, fatty liver disease, diabetes, and obesity. The major culprit for these health conditions is the declining level of NAD+, which occurs as we approach midlife. Although living a healthy lifestyle might improve the quality of life as you age, increasing NAD+ levels would be more effective, and this can be done by taking more NMN supplements. This way, you will have a healthier lifespan and will not have to deal with age-related conditions. A clinical trial published in the Journal of Science was conducted with postmenopausal pre-diabetic women, and at the end of the trial, it was reported that NMN improved the ability of their skeletal muscles to absorb glucose, which is often abnormal in people with obesity, pre-diabetes, or type 2 diabetes. If you want to live healthy and longer, just make sure you take the required daily dose of NMN for your body weight. Your body will thank you in the long run. And number 5, improves fertility. Infertility is becoming so common in our society. This condition affects 15% of couples globally, which amounts to 48.5 million people. However, one 2020 study found that NMN supplementation increases the NAD+ content inside a woman's eggs. This in turn improves egg maturation by maintaining a correct DNA structure. Abnormal DNA structure in the eggs is one of the potential causes of infertility, miscarriages, or birth defects. Interestingly, this same study also demonstrated that NMN supplements strengthen the ability of the eggs to bind to sperm, making fertilization more likely to occur. From what we know, this compound helps improve fertility in both males and females. Enough of the benefits. As the supplement has potential, we should not forget about the side effects associated with taking NMN. According to David Sinclair, a professor of genetics and author of the book Why We Age and Why We Don't Have to, there is no clinical evidence on side effects of NMN in humans. Several studies have also shown that oral administration of 100, 200, and 500 milligrams of NMN is well tolerated by humans. However, just like everything else, an overdose can lead to some side effects. Symptoms like nausea, diarrhea, flushing, stomach discomfort, and indigestion have been reported by people who take higher doses of about 1,200 milligrams. So try to find the right dose for your body weight.